acids. Materials liquid. First, a paper, pencil, brush, soap liquid water, and turmeric powder. Next, first, take the turmeric powder and add water and make the turmeric powder to the turmeric paste. Take this paste and apply to the paper. Wait for few minutes. The paper was dry. So next, take a pencil. Draw a flower on this turmeric paper. The flower was ready. Next, take the brush and mix the soap liquid water. Color the flower with soap liquid water. The coloring was completed to the flower. Let us dry it. Wait for a few minutes. We can observe the flowers turn into red due to the chemical reaction of the turmeric powder and the soap liquid water. Thank you.